Hi, Tom Walls, Carbide Processors. This is a saw. It's a saw body. First it's a sheet of steel, then they cut it out into shape and it's a saw plate. Then it gets ground for flatness and heat treated, tempered once or twice, and when it's all ready to have the tips put on it, or when it has the tips put on it, it's the saw body. So it's the steel part in the middle in any case. Carbide tips go here. What I wanted to talk about today is the scroll work on it. These are sometimes referred to as expansion slots. Occasionally you hear the term tension slots, sound dampening slots, whatever. Anyway, there's scroll work cut into it. And they can either be just holes cut into it, ridges, some sort of scroll work, or they can have an epoxy put in it. Steve Bergerson of Western Saw did some research on this. I loaned him my decibel meter. Just the plain slots, I think, reduced the decibel rating, reduced the noise about 3-4 decibels. With the epoxy, you got another couple more decibels out of it. The problem with these is that saw blades sometimes warp in use, and the steel sometimes moves. If you take in a blade like this and it needs to be flattened, hammered, tensioned, whatever, all these cutouts make it much harder to have it tensioned. You can do it, but it makes it much harder. So that's something to consider. It's more expensive to have these fully serviced, not any more expensive if you just want them ground. So that's something to consider when you buy one of these. Thank you. Bye.